Are you starting your first business and concerned about failure? Give your new startup the best chance of success by following these top business suggestions, which I've compiled a list from other entrepreneurs who successfully build up a business. 5 top business tips for starting a business. 1. Writing a business plan. The biggest point for creating a business plan, first when considering establishing a business, is that it can help you avoid investing time and money into a startup that will fail. 2. Do your own research. Writing a business plan will need additional research, but that is only the beginning. If you're beginning a startup, you should become an expert in your industry, products, and services. It is a good idea to join connected industry or professional organizations before starting your startup. 3. Don't do it alone. When launching a business, you will require a support system. A family member or acquaintance on whom you can share ideas, and who will listen compassionately to the current business startup issue, is crucial. Even better, locate a mentor or, if you qualify, apply for a business startup program. 4. Be a professional. Everything about your organization must show to others that you are a professional running a serious enterprise. That includes getting professional business cards, a business phone number, and a business email address, as well as treating people professionally and courteously. 5. Get professional help. However, when you're starting a business does not imply that you have to be a master in everything. Hire a professional to build up your business. In the long run, trying to do things yourself that you are not competent to accomplish will waste more time and more money. See you in the next video.